Introducing the ECOM Micro, an IP-based programmable controller that can be used for a variety of HVAC control, facility monitoring, and energy conservation applications. This video will demonstrate the quick and easy setup and configuration of the ECOM Micro controller. The ECOM Micro features a built-in web server that allows users to configure 4 universal inputs and 4 relay outputs. Users can also set up alarms, schedules, and email notifications. The ECOM Micro also allows users to view data logs. First, we will set up our ECOM Micro in a few quick steps. Let's connect our ECOM Micro to our Windows-enabled PC using an Ethernet cable. Then, we will use the ECOM Micro's default IP address to launch the ECOM Micro web server. Before we continue, let's familiarize ourselves with the ECOM Micro web server. Our homepage gives us a list of the general settings. This status tab allows us to view the current inputs and outputs. In the configuration tab, we can configure a network, inputs, outputs, schedules, alarms, and control schemes. The data log allows us to view data from different inputs and outputs. Let's configure our controller to the network. We can use either IPv4 or IPv6 protocols. In this case, we will use an IPv4 protocol. The ECOM Micro also sends email notifications to users utilizing SMTP. We will configure this in the configuration tab as well. The ECOM Micro gives us the ability to configure thermistor inputs, 0 to 5 volt inputs, 0 to 10 volt inputs, digital inputs, as well as relay outputs. Once configured, we can view the status of these inputs and outputs under the Status tab. Here we can toggle the outputs between automatic and manual, as well as on and off. Next, we can add and edit daily, weekly, and monthly schedules. Let's configure an alarm by giving it a name, setting the status, the severity level, and select a user to send an email alert to in the event of an alarm being triggered. The ECOM web server also has a control screen in which we can control the outputs based on the inputs and schedules. We will now add and manage control schemes. It gives us the flexibility of assigning and enabling multiple conditions to an output. We can download the data we have accumulated as CSV files as well as view the data on a graph. Lastly, let's register our ECOM microcontroller to Seco Web Cloud, a web application powered by Taish Engineered Systems that is used for building management and site planning. Seco Web Cloud allows ECOM Micro users to track, monitor, and organize data from various controllers. We can assign multiple ECOM microcontrollers to a site and present data from these ECOM Micros in a dashboard that is easy to create. For more information, visit our website at www.taishusa.com